Earth is not just orbiting the sun, it is flying through the dust of a dead star. The clue was not in a telescope, it was frozen in Antarctica. Scientists melted nearly 300 kilograms of old ice, cleaned it down to a tiny dust sample, and looked for one radioactive signature: iron-60. Iron-60 is special because Earth does not make much of it naturally. Supernovae can. When a massive star explodes, it throws this isotope into space like a timestamp. The new study says Antarctic ice from about 40,000 to 80,000 years ago carries changing levels of iron-60. That timing lines up with the solar system moving through the Local Interstellar Cloud, the thin cloud around us now. So the story is not one blast hitting Earth like a movie shockwave. It is slower and stranger. The Sun, Earth, and every planet are moving through an old dusty region, and the ice may be recording the cloud's structure. The forensic trick is brutal. Separate a few iron-60 atoms from around 10 trillion other atoms, then ask whether the pattern rises and falls with our path through space. If that signal holds, Antarctic ice becomes a flight recorder for the solar system. A dead star exploded long before humans were here, but its dust may still be crossing our orbit, falling into our ice, and leaving a map we can only read atom by atom. The sky did not just leave light, it left evidence.